when it's all about big games, it's all about details. But what I want to ask you is, as a coach, experienced coach, as you know, I think you feel something about this Final Four. I believe that always you felt something before, having all the big games. So what's your feeling about this Final Four? How much your team is ready? How much your team is really concentrated? And what's your feeling?
Friday, something like 8 o'clock, we will have answer for everything. It will be very easy after the game to talk and to understand if we are both ready or not. We play against team that they beat us 2 times. So without any question, we must be in better level now in Final Four than in 2 previous games. Like you said, many small details that decide the game. This time will be really good to score some points and to don't leave CSKA to score. So simple.
So simple.
Yeah.
Actually, talking about those details, can you tell us with this mentality you're gonna go to play this game against CSKA, because winning the semi-final, the final is gonna be easier?
No, we don't think like this. For us, Final Four is this game against CSKA, first of all. We understand very well that we play against a great team. Team that in the summertime signed 5 excellent players because of the result last year that they didn't play even in top 16. So their target this year is for sure this to take the title. But anyhow, we believe in our possibility. We will go to fight, and something that I always ask to my players is to do the best possible game for us in this moment. If it will be enough, we will see after.
The last question, is it the most wanted title ever for you, for the players, especially with the conditions that the team is going through, concerning the administration and everything? Is it the most wanted title for you and the players, because it might be the last one?
No. Every title until now it was same like this Final Four. Nikos is one that always has same targets beginning of the season. It was also very tough summer time for us, but we found a way to be one more time in Final Four and to continue with good results. We only take 1 trophy, Cup of Greece. This is good for the team, and we will see in the next days what's going on, because we have Final Four and after that final against Olympiacos in the Greek Championship.
Wish you the best of luck.
Thank you very much.
Maybe.